Hello, this is a second video on our continuation on looking at the operations with integers. In the first video that you already watched, we looked at adding integers that may have the same sign or may have different signs. In this video, we're just going to touch on subtraction. So go ahead and write subtraction in your main idea column. Now, when we're subtracting integers, we're going to follow a process that we call keep, change, change. Okay, so what does keep, change, change mean? So keep means to keep the sign in front of the first number. Change means to change the minus sign to a plus. And then the second change means to change the sign in front of the second number. Then use the addition rules. Okay, so let's look at an example of the keep, change, change process. So say we have negative 17 minus 2. So we're going to keep the first number. Keep the sign, keep the whole number. So we're going to keep negative 17. The next thing we need to do is we need to change our minus sign to a plus. So this minus sign is now going to transform into a plus. So this was our change. And now we need to change this positive 2 to a negative 2. So we kept the negative 17. We changed the minus sign to a plus, as you can see right there. And we changed a positive 2 into a negative 2. And now all we have to do is follow our addition rules. So we look at negative 17 and negative 2. So since they have the same sign, what we do here to combine these is we keep our sign, negative, and then we just add our numbers. 17 plus 2 is 19. So our answer here is negative 19. So in other words, negative 17 minus 2 is equal to negative 19. And that makes sense if you look on a number line. What this is basically telling us to do here is to start at negative 17 and move to the left 2 spaces. Negative 18, negative 19. That's where our answer came from. Okay, let's look at another example here. Let's do 15 minus negative 5. So following our keep, change, change process, we keep the first number. So we're going to keep the 15. It just comes straight down. Now we need to change the minus sign to a plus. And then we change the negative 5 to a positive 5. And then you just perform the operation. 15 plus 5 is 20. A little tip that holds true for every math operation is if you ever see two negative signs right next to each other like we have here, those automatically turn into a positive. because two negatives makes a positive. So this could have automatically been rewritten as 15 plus 5. That is all I have on subtraction for y'all today. We are going to continue this video series with multiplication and division.